Hi there, welcome to another video from Hegarty Maths. It's Mr. Hegarty here, and the 7th video on plans and elevations. Previously, we have had a 3D shape on an isometric grid, and we were asked to draw the plan view, side elevation, front elevation. Here we're going to be given the plan view, side elevation, or front elevation, or some combination, and we're going to be asked to draw the shape. So here's our first one. Pause and have a go. So in this particular question here, we're told that we have an elevation of a solid prism, and we've actually been given the front face. So it's dead easy. The front face here, we go 4 across, 1 up. So let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4 across and 1 up there. And we want to go 4 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 up there, and then 2 across, and then 3 down, and then 1 across. So once you've got your front view and you know it's a prism, then the side view, well, the side here elevation tells us it goes back into the page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason we know that's how far back is because that line there is going to match up with this line here. And then we can just keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And joining all the dots together, we will get ourselves something that looks like that. And making it a bit neater, that's your final answer. Next question, pause and have a go. So again, we're told that we've got a solid prism and we've got the front elevation. It is a triangle that's 4 wide and 4 high, where the vertex for the middle is exactly in the middle of the base of 4. So let's just draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go across into the middle 2 places and then go 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's just draw in our triangle. And I just want to point out here that this height here is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Now the side view, let's move over to the side view to see what we can ascertain from this. Well, we've got a 3 by 4 here. Now because the height is 4, this 4 is to do with the height of the prism, so the 3 must be to do with the depth back. So we're going to go back 3. Let's just change our line. 1, 2, 3, and let's go back 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. And join the dots up like that, and we're done. And by the way, that's the front view, so we should label that. Neatening up looks something like this. Okay, next question. Pause and have a go. So here again, we've got a solid prism. We're given the front. It's a trapezium with base 3, and it's got, well, not base in this case, but that height there is 3. So let's draw in 3, maybe 1, 2, 3. It goes up 3 this side, up 3 this side. It goes up 2 that side, up 2 here, and we join from there to there. And then it tells us the plan view. Now, because this thing is 3 wide, that's where that 3 is coming from. Okay, so this distance here must be how far back into the page it's going, i.e. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And continue here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and continue here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and join the dots together like that, and mark out that that is the front. Making it a bit neater should look something like this. Okay, next one, pause and have a go. So here again we're showing the front elevation. We've got a rectangle with a triangle on top. Rectangle has base 2 and height 3. So let's go base 2 and height 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. Then it's got a triangle in top where the vertex there of that triangle is exactly in the middle. So, and that's 2 high. So from the middle I'm going to go up 1, 2, like that. Okay, and the plan view, well, I know this thing is 2 wide, so that's where that 2 is coming from. So the plan view tells me it's going 4 back. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, like this. And that would be the front view there. And neatening it up, it would look something like that. Next one, pause and have a go. So here we're told the plan view and front elevation of a solid prism are drawn on the centimeter grid. Draw the side elevation accurately on the centimeter grid. Use the isometric drawing to help you. So we've been given the front and the plan, and if we then draw the isometric shape, it will help us do the side. So the front has a base of 4. So let's start with that as our 1, 2, 3, and 4. Height of 4 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes 1 across, and then it goes 2 down. Then it goes 2 across, 1 down, 1 across, 1 down. So 1 across, 1 down, 1 across, 1 down. And the width of this thing is 4. Now, looking at our diagram here, it's got a 4 and a 4 here. So because the width is 4, that's one of the 4, so it must go 4 back into the page as well. So let's draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 4, and finally like that. So joining all those dots together, you would have something that looks like this. That's only 3. I've just realized that should be over here. So just correcting that, that would go to there, and that should go to there. So it should be like this. Now that's the front, which we knew about. Does the plan match this? Yes, it does, because you see a bar of 1 by 4, which would be this. Then you see a bar of 2 by 4, which is this, and then you see a 1 by 4, which is that. Now, what does this thing look like from the side? Well, you should see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 wide. Then it goes up 1, and you will see that edge. Then it goes up 1 again, and you'll see that edge. Okay, and then it goes up 2 to here. So it looks something like that. And making it nice and neat, that would be your final answer. And that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching.